Hello everyone, welcome to our informational video on Magellan, the academic planning tool designed specifically for ECE students. Magellan is here to help you navigate your upper years and ensure you're on track for graduation. With this tool, you can select courses, pre-register for the upcoming academic term, and verify that you're meeting all program requirements. Once you log into Magellan, you'll land on the main page. Here, you can find the ECE program requirements, a list of courses with their AUs, and the Magellan User Handbook. Under Profile Management, you can access your main profile and create alternate profiles. After naming your profile, you can create a new one or copy from an existing one. You can delete an alternate profile or make it your main profile if you decide to follow that plan. In your main profile, you'll find your personal information, any notes from an ECE undergraduate advisor, and your graduation eligibility status. This status is determined by the courses you've completed and plan to complete as shown in your course list. Courses are color-coded for easy reference. Black courses indicate completed courses. Yellow courses indicate courses in progress or those that you plan on taking. And gray courses that are crossed out indicate failed courses or courses marked as extra. If a course code appears without a title, it means the course has been incorrectly entered into Magellan or Magellan does not recognize the course. Under graduation requirements, you will find program requirements, which include your first and second year core courses. Courses marked with a green check mark indicate completion, while those with a red X are incomplete and must be completed in the next available term. Next, we have upper year courses. Here you will find the 20 courses required for graduation. The courses you select from the course list will be slotted into upper year courses as program requirements. You need to complete 4 kernel courses, each in a different area of focus, 4 depth courses in 2 areas where you completed kernel courses, engineering economics, capstone, which counts for 2 credits, 1 science math course that is to be selected from the science math area, or area 7. Only the courses listed in this area are acceptable, 3 technical electives, 4 HSSCS courses, and 1 free elective. If a requirement is not fulfilled, it will be highlighted in red as not fulfilled. This section will also notify you whether you will graduate with an EE, Electrical Engineering, or CE, Computer Engineering designation. Courses may be taken in a way that makes you eligible for both designations. In such cases, you will need to choose which designation you prefer to graduate with. Next, you will find the CAB requirements. This tracks various categories of accreditation units, also known as AUs. It details the requirements for each AU, the amount obtained through completed courses, the projected amount including planned courses, and whether the requirements have been met. You must fulfill all CAB requirements to graduate. At the top of your main profile, you can access the CAB report. This report details the allocation of AUs to each category for all the courses on your list. And finally, Magellan will display whether you have met the practical experience requirement. If you have credit for the professional experience year, or PEY, or submitted the PER form to the ECE undergraduate office, this will be reflected as fulfilling the requirement. If all program requirements are met, your profile will indicate that you are eligible to graduate. To edit your profile, click the Edit Profile button. This page displays all the technical courses and their respective areas. These courses are used to satisfy kernel and depth, science math, and 3 technical elective requirements. It can also include a free elective. Courses highlighted in yellow indicate the kernel courses for each area. To select a course, simply choose the term you plan to take it. Note that Magellan will not allow you to plan more than 6 courses per term. If you have any incomplete first or second year courses, they will appear under incomplete first/second year courses. ECE 472, or Engineering Economics, is the only upper year core course you need to take. You will need to select the session in which you plan to take this course. You can also select which capstone project you would like to undertake. This selection does not pre-register you for the course. It is only for planning your fourth year and determining your eligibility for capstone. There are many ineligible courses that cannot be taken by ECE students. Follow this link for a list of those courses. If any ineligible course is taken, it will be marked as extra and will not count towards program requirements. To add an approved technical elective from another department, a free elective, or HSSCS courses, you must enter the course in its entirety, using all capital letters and including H1 at the end, H for half credit and 1 for St. George campus. Magellan will not recognize the course otherwise. Any technical electives, HSSCS courses, or the courses listed in the free elective drop-down menu can be used to fulfill the free elective requirement. After making all changes, hit Evaluate. This will bring you back to the main profile and show the new changes you made. If you are satisfied with the changes, make sure to save your profile. Returning to the home page, you will find a list of all courses on Magellan and their AUs under View Course List with AUs. If you are short in a certain category, this list will be useful for planning your semester to meet those AUs. You can sort the list by clicking on specific AUs in the header. For more information on a course, click on the course code. Here you will find the course description, prerequisites, exclusions, course delivery, AU distribution, and the area of study, indicating its focus area or if it's an HSSCS or free elective. Please note that Magellan and Acorn do not communicate. Any changes made to your Acorn schedule should also be updated on your Magellan profile. You can use the academic calendar to retrieve course information. Timing and space availability of course offerings can be found on Timetable Builder and Acorn. For more detailed information on the functions of Magellan, please review the Magellan User Handbook. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the ECE undergraduate office. We're always happy to help. Thank you so much, and we hope you find Magellan useful in planning your path to graduation.